Hi, I'm Travis at Tubbs Family Farms, and I just wanted to show you our new grease gun. Supposedly it's a new time saver, and we'll just oil or grease a few fittings here. You just put the thing on here, pull the trigger, done. Move on to the next one. Like that has that light on there, so you just put it on. Done. That one went hard to get through, it seems like. Yeah, see that one's, dang. That one was dry. There's about a million other fittings on here, but that's a good start. I'm gonna get the ball bearings in this tractor real quick. Shine my light down there, hook it on. Oh shoot, might have put too much in that one. Huh. I think these newer ones don't bleed out the side the same way. That one stopped up. This tractor is my granddad's tractor. He bought it new, I think, in the 50s. I've gone through it and redid the engine on it and a bunch of other stuff. It works really good for us, and it's kind of our old faithful, but we replaced it with this one. You can barely tap the trigger and let the light come on. That's kind of nice. Okay, so you just point your light at it, come in there. Dang, that one was dry. There's about a million other fittings on here, but that's a good start.
So what do all the nipples where you put grease in, what does it do other than make things slide more easy?
Yeah, it keeps things from wearing out, so that'll help a lot. Hi, it's me again, Travis Tubbs here at Tubbs Family Farms. It's been a minute since our last video. I just wanted to touch back again on our grease gun review. Basically, since we got it, we've had a chance now to use it on our hay balers, all of our tractors, and really take it for a spin. And I would recommend it to about anybody. It's a great grease gun. It's a little pricey, but it'll definitely be a huge time saver for you and your farm. So you have that, and you'll have it a long time, and I think it'll be a good addition. So that'll save you a lot of time. So it gets my thumbs up approval. Like and subscribe if you like this content for more.